Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss ICSE Standard 5 English Literature Chapter 3 Ashraf Invention. This video is part 2, question and answers and exercise discussion. Okay, page number 42. Inside question. Why did Ashraf feel that everything else was happening slowly? Answer. Ashraf was very excited to go to school and he could not wait to be there. Therefore, everyone seemed slow to him. Now, page number 43. Question number 2. Do you think Ashraf was usually distracted in his science class? Answer. Ashraf seems to have been interested in science, so it is possible that he wasn't usually distracted during science class. Question number 3, same page. What tells us that Ashraf, Eugene and Sigen often did things together? All the misadventures that Eugene and Sigen had with Ashraf tells us that they often did things together. Page number 44. Question number 4. What does stormed off mean? Answer. The expression stormed off means that Ashraf left. And number 5. What are the shifts we notice in Ashraf's feeling during the first break? Answer. We see Ashraf's feeling changing from excitement to anger. Question number 6. Page 45. In your own words, explain this is going to make your day. Answer. This is going to make your day means this is going to make you very happy. Here we have completed our inside question. Now come to page number 47, reference to contest. Yes, here. Question number 3. Why did you have to go and do that? Ashraf stormed off, clearly upset. Here, first question is, how had Ashraf been feeling at the beginning of the first break? Answer. Ashraf was quite eager at the beginning of the first break. He wasn't paying attention in the science class and he kept looking at the clock. Question number 3b. Who was Ashraf speaking to? What had this person done? Answer. Ashraf was speaking to Sigen, who had told Simon that Ashraf had a plan and asked him if he was going to see it. Ashraf had asked Sigen not to say anything to Simon. Question number C. What did the listener say to Ashraf in reply? Answer. Sigen said that he was sorry, but since many of Ashraf's earlier inventions had not worked out, he did not take it seriously this time either. Now next question. Hey, steady on or we will all fall off the tree, Sigen warned. First question. Who else was on the tree with Sigen? Both Sigen and Ashraf were the question was, who else was on the tree with Eugene? Both Sigen and Ashraf were on the tree with Eugene. Question number B. What is a warning? What made Eugene give this warning? A warning is telling somebody about something which is probably dangerous so that it can be avoided. Eugene might have been giving the warning because they were sitting up on the branch of the mango tree, and if they were not careful, they could fall off. 4C. What did Sigen say in the reply to this warning? Sigen said Ashraf would have to invent an instant parachute to save them. So here we finish our reference to contest. Now next is read, reflect and write. It is also in your page 47. Question number 5. How did Eugene receive the message that Ashraf gave him? Would you say that he was genuinely impressed? Give a reason to support your answer. Answer. Eugene called Sigen over after hearing Ashraf's news. I don't think he was really impressed because Ashraf had claimed to have made 2 other inventions, his time machine and his invisible radio waves. Question number 6. Why did Ashraf feel that he could not go back to school ever? What did he think would happen if he went back to school? Ashraf felt that he could not go back to school because all the students had come to see his plane, but they were not impressed. They thought his plane was just a mango tree with some cushions and a makeshift wing. He thought that the other children would make fun of him in school. Okay, next question, page number 48, question number 7. Ashraf said that Eugene and Sigen were great. What did he mean by this? Do you agree with Ashraf? Give reason for your answer. Answer. Ashraf said that Eugene and Sigen were great because he felt that both of them were good friends. Even while sitting in a make-believe plane, they encouraged him and believed that one day he would actually build a plane. Yes, I think they are really good friends because they always supported Ashraf no matter how crazy his ideas were. Okay, question number 8. What did Ashraf say about the way friends should behave with each other? Okay, answer is Ashraf said that friends are supposed to support one another no matter what. Okay, in this question number 8, there is one more question. Write about your own experience to say whether or not you agree with Ashraf. So this is you can write your own answer, you can make it. Okay, till this we have completed our read, reflect and write. Now next, word wall, page number 48, word wall. Skywards. Let's see what are the skywards. Energy from the sky is called solar energy. Yes or not? So here sun is noun and solar is an adjective. Fill in the blanks with adjective formed from the noun given below. Moon, wind, air, sun, star. These are the adjectives. Okay. Sorry, these are the nouns. We have to make adjective related to this. It's fun being with people who have a cheerful and dash nature. Cheerful and sunny nature. During a dash eclipse, the earth's shadow falls on moon. During a lunar eclipse. Okay? What a lovely dash night it is. The perfect night for stargazing. Okay, what a lovely starry night it is. The perfect night for stargazing. D number. This is such a dash room. It isn't stuffy at all. So this is such a airy room. Then E. On dash day like this, the washing flips as if it is going to fly off the clothesline. So on windy day like this, the washing flips as if it is going. Okay, so now we are going to do page number 48, analogies. Okay, what is analogy? An analogy is a comparison between two things that have something in common. Okay, something in common. It can be the relationship between the two words, like it is opposite, or the same taste, means it is related to taste. Okay, So let's see. Page number 49. Let's do this exercise. Read the pairs of the words given in each box. Think of the relationship between the pairs of words in bold. Then form the three options given. Circle the one that has the same relation as the first pair of the word. To have done for you. So let's see. Cold, hot. Here the relationship between this cold and hot is they are opposite. So here we have the three options are given. Which option is correct related to this, we will mark. Okay, tall and long both are same. So this relationship is not opposite. Tall and short, this one is the opposite. Tall and short. Okay, now here lemon. So relationship is taste. Lemon is sour in taste. So candy, bitter. No, candy is not bitter. Apple, red. Here it is color. Candy, sweet. So this one is the answer. The relationship between them is taste. Cake and sweet. So here lemon, sweet. No. Chili, spicy. This one will be the answer. Always, never. The relationship is opposite. So hurriedly, slowly. Help, assist. Same. Okay. Cheerful, happy. The answer will be cheerful, happy. Bus driver. Okay. Here bus. Who is driving? Who drives the bus is called driver. So here the answer will be plane, pilot. Splendid, terrible. Shining, dull. Leaf, tree, petal, flower. Vehicle, bus. Stationery, pencil. You will mark it, stationery, pencil. Sorry, apology. You will mark third one, please, request. Okay, here comes, as we have most of the time, and in the last class also, in the previous class, like standard 4, I have explained you these verbs and all, yes or not? They are only here. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable form of verb given in the bracket. One has done for you. Okay, here. Eugene does a lot, reads a lot. He does mystery and adventure books. He loves mystery and adventure books. His favorite book is The Swiss Family Robinson. Figan and Ashraf does a lot too. Figan and Ashraf, here we are. Ashraf reads a lot too. All three of them right now in school library. All three of them are reading right now in school library. Last year, Eugene over 50 adventures and history stories. Last year, Eugene read. When it was time to cut the cake on his birthday, Eugene was not to be found. Everybody for him, was looking for him. Finally, his mother found him. He was sitting under a tree in the garden and reading. Next week, Eugene, Figan and Ashraf will be going to the public library in Lagos. Ada will drive them at this time next week. Figan, Eugene, Ashraf and Ada will be driving to the city. Okay, here we finish this. Let's come to page number 2. Read the sentence using not. Okay, we have to use not correctly. Here the nots are not used correctly, so we will use the not word correctly. You may have to make some other change if in this sentence, if it is required to make another change also. So pick one. First one, Maria does swim not every day. So it will be Maria does not swim every day. My grandmother is working right now. My grandfather is not working right now. Malcolm ate all the cookies. Malcolm did not eat all the cookies. Okay. Here next. The student not went on a field trip. Answer. The student did not go on a field trip. He not was wasting his time. Answer. He was not wasting his time. So let's come to the last part. Write a question for each of these answers. One has done for you. Big A. Yes, they play every day. Answer. Do they play every day? Question mark. This one is done for you. Okay. Here it is asked. Yes, they play every day. We have to change it in question. Like interrogative sentence. So the answer will be, do they play every day? Question mark. B. Yes, he is driving the tractor. Answer will be, is he driving the tractor? Yes, they will be planting saplings. Answer, will they be planting a sapling? Question mark. Okay, question mark is very important to use in an interrogative sentence. Without question mark, the interrogative sentence is not a complete sentence. No, the student did not waste water. Answer, do the student waste water? Question mark. Big E, no, children will not watch the television. Answer, will the children watch the television? Question mark. So here we finish our grammar part. Okay, thank you.